Hi everybody, it is Amber with Amber Doll Does It All, and I'm really glad you're here today because we're gonna do something really fun. Luna has been asking since her last birthday when we dyed her hair pink, and I'll show you that right now.
Cutie pie, cutie
Anyway, so since then she's been asking for rainbow hair. So for her birthday, I bought her hair dye in the colors blue, purple, pink, and yellow. And we're gonna attempt to do rainbow unicorn hair. I am a little nervous, I will admit, because I have no idea how to dye hair. I never did it on myself, but I've watched a few tutorials on YouTube and I think I know what to do, so we're gonna experiment and hopefully it turns out okay. I'm also a little bit worried that Luna's hair is just a little bit too dark for the lighter colors to show up, so we'll see. It washes out in about 5 washes, so I guess we're just gonna have to see what happens, but she doesn't know we're gonna do it yet, so we're gonna go tell her right now. Come on. She's gonna be so excited. Hey Luna, can you come here? Come here. I was thinking that maybe we would dye your hair rainbow today.
Yay!
You want to?
Dyeing my hair is so fun, and I was telling my mommy always that I say, Mommy, I want my hair dyed rainbow, and she's like saying, no? What are you talking about? She believes that.
Well, we're gonna do it today. You want to?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Come take one last look of your hair before it's rainbow. Look in the mirror. Remember yourself this way because you're gonna be transformed into a new Luna. We are using Arctic Fox hair dye in, let's see, what's this one? Virgin Pink, Violet Dream, Aquamarine, and Cosmic Sunshine. So I also have these brushes to administer the dye here, and then I only had one actual dye bowl, so we're gonna makeshift with the paper bowls petroleum jelly for the edges of her hairline so that she doesn't get any dye on her forehead. Some hair caps, shower caps basically, some gloves, and then towels obviously. So let's do it. Okay, so first I'm gonna start by brushing out Luna's hair.
Out?
Well, not out, but just like brushing the tangles out. So now that her hair is all brushed out, I'm going to use these little clippies to section it off. I'm going to start from the bottom up.
Right here?
Yeah, bottom up to the top of your hair. But I guess it would be a good idea to get some dye into our bowls. So let's get that started. Super pink.
Blue, purple, pink, yellowish. These are all my favorite colors. Dark blue, light purple and dark pink and light yellow, like sunrise. You taste it.
Oh,
What?
no, I didn't taste it.
I'm just kidding.
Okay, don't move now. Look straight.
Red, orange, yellow, green, lemon and twinkle, and fire and blue. Pink.
Okay, we have her hair all colored
Rainbow.
rainbow. Now we just have to wait 30 minutes for it to set. Then we'll wash it out.
Later.
Ooh. Okay, we're gonna rinse out Luna's hair now.
Ah! This is so ticklish. Ah! It's getting in my eye.
No, it's not.
Yeah, the tickle.
It's gonna tickle a little bit. Move your little handy by.
You're too ticklish, Mommy.
all the products in the blog and also on YouTube down below in the description if you guys want to use any of these. Just look down there.
And do it like this. But ask your mother if that's okay.
Yeah, if you're a little girl, ask your mom if it's okay to do it. And if you do it, make sure that you tag me on Instagram at Amber.doesitall. I would love to see your pictures.
Yeah, but I did not ask my mom. She just asked me.
Well, she said you said you wanted rainbow hair, and then I surprised you with it for your birthday, right? Look down so I can see. Ooh, so pretty, so rainbow.
So tell your mom, dad, grandma, or grandpa if that's okay.
If it's okay to have rainbow.
But if your grandma's knee is swollen, then do not ask her, cause she might fall if we like push her.
Look straight. Look at the wall. No, look at that wall. Look at Chunky. Look at Chunky. Don't move. It's so pretty. I love it. So that concludes our video for today. Thank you for watching. And if you like this, remember to like and subscribe because it really helps my channel. And we will see you on the next vlog. Bye. My hands got all colorful because when I washed out her hair, I didn't wear gloves. Leah.
It's okay, Mommy. You can wash your hands and then it'll get off.
You have mermaid hair now.